Here is how to post Instagram stories on desktop. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and launch your web browser on your computer. Then after, go to instagram.com, log into your account. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on More Tools. From the menu that appears, you need to go ahead and tap on Developer Tools. Tap on the dimensions in the top left side of your screen. And from the drop-down menu appears, select any phone that you want to. Then refresh this page. And after you've done that, you will see the plus icon with your story option in the top. And then select the photo that you want to share to your story. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and add stickers if you want, or draw anything in your story. Also add text. And then tap on Add to your story, which is in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. You can see the indication that the story is uploading. You can see that your story was added to Instagram. Now come back and refresh your page. Now open your story. And you can see that the story I wanted to post on my Instagram has been posted. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.